Hi, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Schroeder, and I'm here to give you another lesson in math. Today, we are going to be practicing Chapter 2, Lesson 8. You will need pages 125 to 130 ripped out of your pages, out of your math book, stapled together, and then all you will need is just a handy-dandy pencil. If you need to pause the video to go get those things, feel free and get started. I'm so excited because I finally get to see you guys today in the video, and you get to see me on the bottom of the screen. Hi! All right, for today's lesson, we're going to be comparing numbers 0 to 10. When I look on my page, I see that there are honeycombs. Boys and girls, can you help me count how many honeycombs we see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 honeycombs. I'm going to write the number 5. Well, what do we say for number 5 again? Down and around and make a hat. Good. Now you say it. Down and around and make a hat. Excellent. So I want to make a group that is greater than. So remember, we want something that is bigger, because that means greater. We need a number that is going to be higher, bigger than number 5. So let's just make it equal to. Help me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is that greater than? Are my red cubes greater than? No, they're equal to. Echo me, equal to. Good. They are equal to, but I want something that is greater, a larger amount. So what do I need to do? Add red cubes. Good. Okay, well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5 plus 1 more makes 6, which is greater than. Let's add 1 more. Okay, help me count how many cubes we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 red cubes now. When we write 7, we say slide to the right and slide it down. Can you say that with me? Slide to the right and slide it down. Good. Now I'm going to draw a line from the honeycombs to the cubes and help me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Are there enough honeycombs? No. 7 is our greater amount because there's more. It's bigger than. We have 2 extra red cubes. So that tells me that 5 is less than 7. I'm going to draw an X on the number that is less than. Echo me. 5 is less than 7. Good. So that tells me that 7 is greater than 5. I'm going to draw a circle around the number that is greater than. Echo me. 7 is greater than 5. Great job, boys and girls. All right, now I see my desks on my page. I want to draw a group that is less than the group of desks that we see. Well, let's count first. How many desks do we see? 1, 2, 3, 4. I see 4 desks. When we write 4, we say, baby L, line down. Can you say that with me? Baby L, line down. Good. Now remember, I want to have a group that is less than. Go ahead and do that with me. Less than. Great. Remember, when we have less than, that is the little amount. So I don't want a number that is greater or bigger than 4. Can you think of a number that is less than 4? I know. A number that is 1 less than 4, if I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and I take 1 away, how many do I have now? 1, 2, 3. Good. We can have a group of 3 cubes. Help me count 3. 1, 2, 3. Nice job. Now remember, when we write 3, we say 1 hump, 2 hump. That's the number 3. Can you say that with me? 1 hump, 2 hump. That's the number 3. Excellent, boys and girls. Now, I have numbers 4 and I have number 3. And I'm going to draw them a symbol. I want to put a circle around the number that is greater than. Well, remember, greater than is bigger. What do we have more of? The desks. Good. We have 4 desks. That is the greater number. Good. Echo me. 4 is greater than 3. So that tells me that 3 is a little number, which means that it is less than. So I'm going to put an X on it. Now echo me. 3 is less than 4. Well done, boys and girls. Go ahead and grab your math worksheets. We're going to get started for today. So in my fish tank, or Mrs. Schroeder went to the pet store. She wanted to get some fishes. She didn't want too many fishes, but she wanted more than one fish. While she was looking in the tank, she saw 4 little fishes in the first tank. Now I'm going to draw 4 fishes in my first tank. You can draw a circle if you want to. You can draw a triangle. You can color in a circle if you want to. You do not have to draw a fishy, but try your best. Help me count 4 little fishes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. When we write 4, we say baby L, line down. Go ahead and draw your circles in the fish tank, only 4, and write the number 4. I'm going to give you some time to do that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Baby L, line down. Good. Now, in the next fish tank, when she looked at it, she saw 7 fishies. Can you believe it? 7 fishies. We have to draw 7 fishies in the next fish tank. Well, why don't you just watch me, or you can do it at the same time as me. Go ahead and help me count 7 fishies. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now I'm going to recount that just in case that I missed it. I want to double check my work. While I'm double checking my work, I want you to you can make little circles like this if you want to, just little dots. You can make circles like this, whatever you need to do to represent 7 fishes. Okay, so I'm going to count. I'm going to give you some time to do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good, I have 7. I hope you have 7 as well. Remember, when we write 7, we say slide to the right and slide it down. Slide to the right and slide it down. Slide to the right and slide it down. I am number 7. All right, boys and girls, now I want to think. I have 4 fishies in my first tank, and I have 7 fishies in my second tank. Well, which one is greater than? The greater amount, more. Did you say 7? You're correct. Great job. 7. Put a circle around the number that is greater than. Echo me. 7 is greater than 4. What does that tell me about 4 then? 4 is what? Oh, it's less than. Good. Put an X on the number that is less than. Now echo me. 4 is less than 7. High five. All right, turn the page. Okay, in my next picture, I see it looks like a dog bowl because there's dog food in it and maybe a bird cage. Well, what I'm going to do is we're going to count how many we see, okay? So help me count how many dog bowls we see. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. We have 8 dog bowls. When we write 8, we say circle on top and circle on bottom. Go ahead and trace the number 8. Let me hear ya. Circle on top and circle on bottom. Good. Boys and girls, I hope you're also marking the number that we are counting, the object. Okay, so when I put a slash, why don't you put a slash too? Help me count how many, I want to say bird cages? Bird feeder, bird feeder. All right, here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Great. When we write 7, we say slide to the right and slide it down. Go ahead and trace the number 7. Slide to the right and slide it down. Okay, now we're going to figure out which one is greater than and which one is less than. So draw a line from the food bowl to the bird feeder and help me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, wait a minute. I see one extra dog bowl. What does that tell me if there's more dog bowls? That 8 is the greater amount. Put a circle around the number that is greater. Echo me. 8 is greater than 7. So what does that tell me about 7? 7 is what? Less than. Good. Put an X on the number that is less than. Echo me. 7 is less than 8. All right, my friends, let's do the next one together. Help me count how many mice we see. 1, 2, 3, 4. I see 4 mice. Let's write the number 4. When we write number 4, we say baby L, line down. Go ahead and write the number 4. Baby L, line down. Good. Help me count how many bones you see. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 bones. Let's write the number 6. When we write 6, we say down and around and curl it up. Down and around and curl it up. Great. Now we need to draw a line from the mouse to the bone. Help me count. 1, draw your lines. 2, 3, 4. Wait a minute. We have more dog bones. Well, if we have more dog bones, what does that tell you about 6? It is greater than. Good. Put a circle around the number that is greater than. And echo me. 6 is greater than 4. Awesome. So what does that tell you about number 4? It is what? Little, right? So that means that it is less than. Put an X on the number that is less than. And echo me. 4 is less than 6. Awesome. All right, help me. This is a bird cage. All right, help me count how many bird cages that we see. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 bird cages. When we write 5, we say down and around and make a hat. Write the number 5 and let me hear you. Down and around and make a hat. Help me count how many wheels you see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. We just wrote the number 5. We have to write it again. So remember, it's down and around and make a hat. Go ahead and write that. Down and around and make a hat. All right, now draw a line from each and help me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait a minute. I don't see any more. I don't see any less. This is equal to. Echo me, equal to. Good. When we have numbers that are equal to, we draw a box around them just like this to let us know that 5 and 5 are the same numbers. It is the same amount. It is equal to. So echo me. Equal to means same. Awesome.